For the second 3-year period in a row, our production plant in Drongen, Belgium has been awarded with a prestigious title. We can proudly call ourselves Factory of the Future. We are particularly proud of this achievement because it's the result of a thorough independent screening on 7 cutting-edge transformations. As Operational Excellence Manager at the Drongen plant, I would like to tell you more about one of these transformations, the use of advanced manufacturing technology. Before we go into more detail, it is good to know that we have been continuously investing in our Drongen factory over the past few years, as it has become the dedicated plant within the Royal Agrifirm Group for the production of feed ingredients such as premixes, concentrates and mineral mixtures, and specialties such as functional feed ingredients and young animal nutrition. In fact, we have managed to double the capacity of our mixing and packaging lines to swiftly serve our customers across the global marketplace with the high quality, consistent and made-to-order products they require. The entire new production setup was conceived by our project team, composed of stakeholders from various centers of expertise throughout our organization. From production to R&D, from sales to product management, every department involved delivered valuable insights and know-how to determine the ideal production flow. Based on this input, state-of-the-art 3D modeling solutions were used to visualize the production setup before rollout and implementation. The result of this extensive exercise is a smart and flexible logistics system that is truly unique in the food and feed industry. An intelligently automated storage system for over 400 different raw materials maintains every ingredient's optimal quality. Depending on the running lines and programs, each of these ingredients is automatically delivered to the exact right spot at the exact right time and in the exact right dosage. The refined network of storage containers, elevators, tracks and robotic arms is true engineering artwork that turns feed ingredient production into a smooth operation with an unseen level of precision. This all goes to show that we stop at nothing to provide a very high level of care and attention into every high quality product. Just like our customers put in a lot of effort and know-how into the care for their animals.